2020 Kia Soul. I'm going to show you where the cabin filter is at if you want to check it. It's going to be behind your glove box, so go ahead and open that up. Come over here to the right and disconnect the damper. All you got to do is pull on it like that. Okay, you can always, it goes right back, no problem. And right here on the sides, what you're going to do is you're going to push these in. Okay, these stoppers right here. Once you do that, the glove box will come down. Okay. Right here is where the cabin filter is located. You're gonna press and squeeze. Okay, squeeze these. You see that it's just kind of clipped in that way. And you can move the door, and there's your cabin filter. This car's fairly new, so the cabin filter's pretty clean. If you need to get one, I'll leave a link down in the description box down below where you can get one. But when you get your new one, just slide it right in there. Get the lid. The left side in first, and then just push on here, and then reconnect the damper, and that's it.